Hey, so welcome back on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to build the custom shape as well as the 3D heart shape. So first we need to understand the custom shape, how we create the custom shape with the help of custom painter. So let's begin with the code section. So here is the code. Yeah, so we just overwrap the custom paint over the container, and custom paint have a parameter that is the painter. So it just have the triangular painter, it's just an class, and we extend the custom paint here. So let's go there. So we already extend the custom painter here, gradient basically for the color portion. And when we extend the custom painter, we have three functions which we need to override it. So there is an should repaint and should rebuild semantic. If you want to more about it, so you can just hover on it and you just understand why we use this. So in the paint section we have the canvas and size. So canvas is basically like if you want to draw something, so you need a paper. So that's basically a canvas, and how much portion of it you use, so for that we give the size of it. So basically size is basically a whole screen, if you didn't decrease its size. So after that we just initialize the paint, so that we initialize our painting. So and there is a shader is basically for the color. Style is painting style, like you want to be fill the color or you want just an outline of it. So for the filling portion we just use the painting style dot fill, and if you want the line portion, so you just stroke it. So you just giving the stroke, yeah, and you will get the borderline of it. So we just go back again and fill. After that we have two parameters, one is width and another is height. So width and height is basically for the x-axis and y-axis coordinates. So we initialize path again. So on that, the path is basically how your design will be go through the curves. So that we initialize. So first path from where we start our path, it's continuous. Path is basically continuous, so it's continuous shape. And we started 0.2 width. It means it is somewhere it's taking the whole width, so we just take the 0.2. So 0.2 is this point, and 0 point height from up to down it's 0.3 somewhere here. So this is the initial point from where we start, and we just go up this point. In the middle of it we just 0.5, width is 0 point, it's near about middle. And height is this is 1, height of is 1%. So this is the height of 1%. Then we go again with the width of 0.78. It's a little bit 78% of the width of height. So this is the point, and it again matches with the initial point, the height of 0.3. So here is also 0.3. So this is the first curve from 0.2 comma to 0.78 to 3, height of 0.3. So another curve, this point to this point. So this is the last point. So we just give 0, width is in center of it, so it's just 0.5. So this is the width, and height is from upper portion to downward, so it's just in the height of 8%. So this is the height of 8% of it, it's this point. So this second point is cleared, and we have last point is here, and which point is this point is, which is it just stretch outside so that it looks like an uh, curve. So we just have width 0.94 here, somewhere here, and height is 0.7. so this is the broader portion. So, and after that we just go back to the portion, and it's taking height 0.7 and width is 0.2. so it's taking outside, so it's more broader than the previous one. So if you want to change it, like if I just give the 5, so you just think, you just they look that this will goes down. So, and height is 0.7, and after that it will meet to the width of 0.2, that was the initial one, and height is 0.3. so our curve was completed, and after that we closed it and the canvas was drawn. So you just achieve the goal what you want to be. So this is how you design the curve. Custom paint, you use the quadratic bazaar, and there are many more, but I want the curves portion, so that's why I use this, and I recommend this as well because this is the right way. After that, if you want to be go on the 3D portion, so yeah, this is the 3D portion of the heart. So I just repaint of it. So there is a one more curve, because we have one curve for this, one curve for this, and this and this. So there are total 4 curves. So I have just 4 curves here, and the same scenarios, you adjust the height and width, and the heart will drawn up. After that we have a small painter is as well. So you just look into the inside a painter, you inside the heart there is a small heart which looks like, which looking this if you look clearly, so you just find out the thing. After that we shadow portion. So how this shadow was given, so we just have an transform matrix, which is for the, we just create an along with the x-axis, so it's looking the horizontal. So that's why we just use the transform matrix here, and axis is x-axis. We have so many parameters here, so many functions are there. You want to be add, you want to use any of them, but this is the perfect one which is suited to my UI, so I use this one. And simply there is a container, and we just give the color of it red. If you want to change it, then we have just black color, so we just change the black color, so it's looking like this. If you want, so I like that previous one is great, so I just change the color red. So it's look like this, and just go on the where we called it, we just take an stack is for basically we have one shadow is this, because we overlap these images, so that's why we use the stack. So it's the initial portion. After that there is a heart shape, two heart shape, one is a smaller one heart shape, this is smaller one shape one, and the bigger one is the custom painter. When we in this we use the text as well, that's the love one. And we just give the shadow of it, so it's looking like an 3D uh, text as well. So hope you like my video, and please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.